All right, good morning, everyone. Hopefully you're getting started going for the day on your projects. I just want to take a few minutes and talk a little bit about what's going to happen with the judging and the evaluation of the projects. So take a moment, if you're in the back, maybe turn around a little, and you can come closer if you want, if you can't hear. Also, for the people on the live stream, if you plan on presenting and you're going to be doing it over Zoom remotely, make sure that you respond to Nate's email that he sent. And if you don't respond to that and let us know that you plan on presenting remotely, then you won't be presenting and you'll be disqualified. So I did want to cover just a little bit about how the presentations are going to go. We're going to start at 2 o'clock, and all of the groups will present in front of all of the other groups. So it's important, since we're done at that point, we want everyone here watching, being supportive of our fellow participants. That does mean that if you're not presenting, you shouldn't be in the back sitting on your computer continuing to work, because you shouldn't get more time than the people who are presenting. Each group will get 4 minutes to present, and then we'll have 3 or 4 minutes of questions or feedback from the panel of judges. The idea here is that in those 4 minutes, you should sort of tell us about your project, present it. So let us know which challenge you picked, tell us what data set you used, and then show us what you designed and what you built. And so that's sort of the flow of what we want. You do need to let us know the project that you chose and tell us about the data sets that you were using. As for the criteria and the judging itself, you'll be evaluated in several different categories. The first is impact, and so this gets at, what big question are you tackling? How many people will it reach? How useful, how wide you expect this to be? Creativity is number 2. So that's where we really want to see all of the amazing ideas and talk about the creative process that you spent doing the last 24 hours. Validity and science is the next category, and this is what data set did you use? Does the data set that you picked answer the question that you set out to? Are you presenting and talking about the science in a valid way? Relevance is, are you actually addressing the challenge that you chose? And then the overall presentation, how well do you present it to us in the 4 minutes that you have? And that's sort of how we'll do this. And again, we'll start right at 2 o'clock. Questions? All right then. Happy